Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling something that paralyzes so many writers, the dreaded first draft. You know that feeling, right? You've got this brilliant idea, but the moment you sit down to write, you freeze. The blank page feels like a judge, and every word you type seems wrong. Let's reframe this. The purpose of a first draft isn't to be perfect. It's not supposed to be a masterpiece. Its only job is to exist. Think of it as a sculptor's block of clay. It's messy, shapeless, and doesn't look like much yet, but it contains all the raw material for the final sculpture. You can't sculpt anything from an empty pedestal. So how do you get that messy block of clay onto the page? The secret is momentum. Give yourself permission to write badly. Seriously. Write clunky sentences. Use placeholder names. Leave notes in the middle of a paragraph like, "Describe this better later." Don't stop to look up a word or fix a typo. Just keep moving forward. Your only goal is to get the story from your head onto the screen. This is what writers mean when they say just write. They're talking about the first draft. I want you to try this. Set a timer for 25 minutes and just write. No editing, no rereading, no self-criticism. Just pure, unfiltered storytelling. You'll all be amazed at how much you can accomplish when you let go of the need for perfection. The magic of editing is for later. Right now, it's all about building momentum and telling yourself the story. Remember, every great book you've ever loved started as a messy, imperfect first draft. Yours is no different. The real work is in the rewriting, but you can't rewrite a blank page. So go ahead, make a mess. Your future self, the editor, will thank you for it. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more writing tips. Let me know in the comments how you handle your first drafts. I'd love to hear your strategies. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.